Our order guide is a minimum 2 orders required, and please order the same meal for 1 table. Actually, most popular one is a set B and C, but if I compared with the B and C, it's just different to added to fried shrimps. So if you love the fried shrimps, I recommend you to set C. That's it. Anything else? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Here you go. I ordered the lunch set to vegetables and steamed rice, and do you know about samjang? This is the chili pepper soybean paste. Yep. And abalone and shrimps and tofu and radish. There have many vegetables, which is a dry radish greens. So that one is cut to be for start eating. Fried Thai fish, the shrimps, and traditional food japchae, and seaweed with vinegar dressing, citron roast roots, and white kimchi, and soft tofu. That soft tofu put on soy sauce, seaweed and crunchy soup, like a Korean birthday soup. And do you know about rice wrapping greens? Like we call that to sam. So you choose the vegetables like lettuce or cabbage, and put on the steamed rice, and a piece of black logfish, and a bit of samjang paste. Side dish is for free. If you want more, just touch the bell, please.